Ever seen giants in action? Danger lurks, suspense climbs, this video captures it all. Fasten your seatbelts. An unforgettable, adrenaline-pumping ride into the jaw-dropping, raw power of automatic firewood processors awaits. Get ready to be amazed, let's dive in. Meet the HYPRO 755 HP, your ultimate wheel-carried tractor processor. Designed for power and precision, this beast handles cutting, delimbing, and processing with ease. Its hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, while the rugged design makes it perfect for tough forestry work. Whether you're a professional logger or a small-scale operator, the HYPRO 755 HP boosts efficiency like never before. Meet the Hartnett 500mm electric log saw, powerful, precise, and built for efficiency. With its high-torque motor and razor-sharp 500mm blade, this machine makes cutting firewood faster and easier than ever. Whether you're a professional or a home user, its sturdy design and user-friendly controls ensure top performance. Ready to upgrade your cutting game? Let's see what this beast can do. Meet the beast, the Petzolato PTH 1000 SEM. Powered by a Scania DC-16 engine pumping out 656 horsepower, this high-performance drum chipper shreds through wood with unmatched speed and efficiency. Designed for heavy-duty forestry and biomass production, it delivers precision chipping with maximum output. Want to see it in action? Let's put this monster to the test. Meet the legendary Hakki Pilke firewood processor, famous for handling any firewood species up to 38 centimeters in diameter. Engineered for power and precision, this machine ensures fast, efficient cutting and splitting, making firewood production effortless. Whether you're processing hardwood or softwood, Hakki Pilke delivers unmatched performance. Meet the Cat 990, a true powerhouse in log unloading. Built for heavy-duty forestry operations, this beast handles massive loads with precision and ease. With its powerful hydraulics and rugged design, the Cat 990 maximizes efficiency at lumber yards and logging sites. Watch as it tackles the toughest jobs with unmatched power.